How to recover AliExpress account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're confused about how to recover your AliExpress account, you're in the right place. Today, I'll be walking you through the exact step to reset your AliExpress password, so make sure to watch this till the end for all the details. First, go ahead and open up your AliExpress app over here. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen and then go to your account. Once you're in the account, you need to tap on sign in and register over here. Once you have done that, if you're having a trouble signing in, look for the blue option that says trouble signing in and then click on it. Here you will see a two option. If you forgot your email, click on find your account, but if you forgot your password, go ahead and click on reset your password. Here I'll tap reset your password. Next, you will be taken to the account recovery page. Here you can choose how you want to recover your account, either by email, member ID or by phone number. I'll be choosing email address over here, so simply enter your email address. Once you have done that, you need to click on continue. A verification code will be sent to your email address or phone number. If you have entered your phone number, you need to simply enter the verification code and then you need to enter verify. After you have done that, you can enter your new password over here. Then you need to simply tap on update your password and that's it. Your AliExpress account is now recovered. You can log in with your new password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.